Indian Army. When we utter these two words, our heads get down with respect and gratitude to their sacrifice and nobility. Our soldiers compromise their lives for honor and above all for India. The tradition of the Indian Army is to do or die for three N's. Naam, which means name and honor of the unit, army or nation. Namak, which means salt, that is loyalty to the nation. And Nishan, that is flag of the unit, regiment, army or nation. We all have respect, love, pride and admiration for the Indian Army as a whole. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 amazing facts about the Indian Army that will beam your chest with pride. So, let's get started. Indian Army controls the highest battlefield in the world, the Siachen Glacier, which is at 5,000 meters above mean sea level. India won the war against Pakistan in 1971. This led to the birth of Bangladesh. Pakistan lost half its country and ultimately 93,000 Pakistani soldiers had to surrender publicly. It was regarded as one of the largest ever military surrenders after the Second World War. According to Global Firepower, Indian Army is the world's fourth largest military force. It has a strength of around 1.3 million active personnel. But the interesting fact is that it has never initiated the first attack in any warfare. The famous Bollywood film Border was based on the Battle of Longewala, Rajasthan. The war was fought between India and Pakistan, in which 120 Indian soldiers with a jeep mounted M40 recoilless rifle were up against 2,000 Pakistani soldiers backed by 45 tanks and one mobile infantry brigade. Despite being heavily outnumbered, our Indian soldiers still managed to hold their ground till morning, and with the help of the Air Force, they were able to completely beat the enemies. Operation Rahat was considered as one of the biggest civilian rescue operations ever carried out in the world. It was carried out by Indian Air Force to evacuate civilians who were affected by the floods in the state of Uttarakhand in the year 2013. The Military Engineering Services, which is abbreviated as MES, is one of the biggest construction agencies in India. Established in 1923, MES provides structural and operational support to the army. One interesting fact is that Bailey Bridge, which was built by the Indian Army in 1982, is considered as the highest bridge in the world. It is located in the Ladakh Valley between Dras and Sudu rivers in the Himalayan mountains. Do you know that President is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Army? Yes, the President of India is the Supreme Commander of the total Indian Armed Forces, comprising Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. The Indian Army has a horse regiment in the Armored Corps called the Pune Horse Regiment, and it is amongst the last 3 such existing regiments in the world. This regiment took part in the 1948 Hyderabad operation and 1965 and 1971 Indo-Pak wars. It has recently completed 200 years of an epic journey. At the age of 19, the Royal Indian Army's Sepoy Kamal Ram had received the Victoria Cross. It is the highest award of the United Kingdom. And the interesting thing is that he was the youngest Indian to receive this award for his bravery in World War II. Field Marshal, a 5-star general officer, is regarded as the topmost and rarely attained rank in the Indian Army. It has been awarded to only 2 officers till date, K.M. Kariappa and Sam Manekshaw. 15th January, which is celebrated as Army Day, is in the recognition of Field Marshal K.M. Kariappa, who took over as the first Commander-in-Chief on India in the year 1949. Moreover, Army Day is observed to honor the brave soldiers of the Indian Army who risk and sacrifice their own lives to protect our country. So, these were some amazing facts about Indian Army. We all salute them. Comment below, according to you, which one was the fascinating one? And if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share it among your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel to get such interesting facts. Thank you. We will be back again.